Hi, my name is Dana Taylor, and I'm going to talk about some things today. One of them is on asteroid defense. And what do I mean by asteroid defense? Asteroid defense is, what I talk about is how to change the course of an asteroid. And there's many ways that have been thought of to do this. One is building a nuclear bomb that's beside it and having it use a little shove. Other ones have been talked about, maybe attaching a rocket to it and giving it a shove that way. And another one I've seen really far out is maybe parking a spaceship next to them and letting the gravity attract it and slowly change its course. All these things, like, it takes a long time. Time that I doubt if we would have if an asteroid was going to hit the planet. But maybe there's a little bit easier way. Like, do you ever remember your beach ball or basketball out in the yard? And you sit on one side of the yard, wind blows, ball ends up on the other side of the yard, up against a fence or a house. Well, I think that's the best way to move an asteroid, is by using rocket exhaust. Not actually touching the asteroid, but using exhaust to force it into a different direction. And what do I mean by that? I mean by, like, using two boosters. For example, we're using these darts as boosters, right? When a booster fires, it tends to want to go one direction. So what would happen if you took two boosters, put them together, and fire them both at the same time, pointing towards each other at something like 25 tons of thrust? Well, unfortunately, the boosters would go nowhere. They'd just sit there burning until they burned out. That's a good thing. Now, what if you add some extra liquid rocket engines to it? Takes, of course, controllable. So now you have a way, when the boosters are firing, you can also move them with your liquid fuel rocket engines. Well, that will give you control of two boosters just sitting there to park it next to an asteroid. Now, say this is an asteroid. This asteroid never stays still. It's always tumbling, moving some kind of direction. You can take the exhaust from the booster, park it right up beside the asteroid, and push it into another direction. Or downwards, make it move faster, push it front, slow it down. You can put these boosters in many different places to change the direction of the asteroid. And if you're not quite so sure what I'm talking about, just get a basketball, put it out in the yard somewhere, and get an air hose and blow it around the yard. It's the same principle. Or use the basketball and a garden hose and spray the ball around the yard. That's the easiest way that I know to change that direction of an asteroid, because you can do it quickly, fast, and easy. And I think I will leave it at that. Thank you. Short version.